Hi, having over 4 years experience in digital marketing, I specialize in search engine optimization, paid ads, and doing a bit of social media. I've come to say that there are strategies that work in search engine optimization in a particular industry that may not work in a particular industry. But at the end of the day, we use search engine optimization, social media, and paid ads in their unique way. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you systems in search engine optimization, in paid ads, and social media that you can adopt to your business to get more eyeballs. Now, the first thing first is, excuse me, this is going to be different. I know, right? So the first thing first in the business, right? So we always have like the customer's touch point, call it customer's journey, right? From the starting point to where your customer interacts with you to the end point. So the end point most times we call it conversion, right? So it might be a buy or follow. Well, it all depends. Conversion can be anything, right? So what I want to do in this video, I want to just break down the funnels and the particular touch point where SEO, paid ads, and social media comes in. Now, emphasis on the first touch point. How? So we are here. So this is your business. Forgive me. So it's always in the funnel. Is the best of not the best of artists, right? So we have top of funnel, middle, right? So our emphasis are going to be on this top of funnel. The top of funnel is actually important because it's the first touch point. How exactly do people see your business? Where do they see your business? And this is what we're going to cover today. All right, so let me clean this. So we have top of funnel. And for me, doing digital marketing for over 4 years and doing lots of implementation, I've come to realize that. So I'm specialized in a particular marketing channel, which is search engine optimization, SEO. And I also play around with paid ads, social, and content. Because content works here, content also works here. So for the top of funnel, this is how SEO would help you out. For top of funnel, what we want to do is we want to get more people, more eye, more eyes. Let's leave it that way. More eyes. So for the top of funnel, we want to get more eyes. I want to get more people to see what we're doing. Right? Want to get them engaged. For SEO, now you want to pay attention to for SEO. Now we do SEO is normal. SEO is not just on Google. We have SEO on TikTok, on our social media. So it's very, very important. It's cool to now differentiate the SEO for social media and SEO for our website. Right? I hope you're seeing this, but definitely. So this is social media, this is website. So we have SEO for social media, SEO for website. So both of them they follow the same principle, the principle of keywords, quality content. The quality content now in text or videos. Then lastly, traction, traffic. For traction on traffic, right? So for traction on traffic, it's cool to I'm using red. I don't know. But for traction on traffic, we do algorithm. I don't know algorithm. Then we do paid ads, right? So We are trying to do SEO, right, for social media, SEO for websites. And remember what we're trying to discuss. We are trying to get to know how we can get more people to be aware of what we sell, what we do, using SEO, paid ads, and our social media, plus content. So that's the whole summary of what we're doing, right? And now we're looking at SEO, and we're saying SEO is for social media and social media. We have SEO for social media because on TikTok and Instagram, there are lots of there are search engine, and most times on TikTok, for example, if you can be looking at a video and you just see a particular search query, right? You're watching a video, you're seeing a search query, so that's the SEO there, right? And for website as well, when you want to look for something you type or make a voice search, that's SEO, search engine optimization. You are trying to optimize your content to be search ready. That's the idea of SEO, right? That's what we do for social media and website. And now we're saying for both social media and website, keywords are important, quality content, text or videos, right? And we also need a certain level of traction. So this traction here, okay, another one can be the search itself. So this traction here is what actually contributes to the potential growth of your SEO strategy. So your traction could be because most times when I do SEO for, I have like three directories. So directory is I have like three online marketplaces where I'm currently actively doing SEO. Right. So I do keyword research to see what people are searching for over here. That is the search. So for the search now is what? Because I'm looking for traffic. But for you to be able to get probably number one or number two or number three, there are just lots of things involved. We have quality content, the traffic, and user engagement, right? But since your content, let me assume as a business owner, your content is powerful, and you already your video on TikTok, right? Your video here has a particular keyword you want to rank for. How do you get more people to see? And this is where paid ads comes in. But most times the algorithm may not favor you. Most times they favor you, most times they may not favor you. But to outsmart the algorithm, we want to also do paid ads. Yes. So once we are doing so for a business, right? If a business owner comes to me and say, okay, Peter, I want to do SEO for my website, I want to be able to rank for some particular keyword. So I'm not just going to dwell on a particular, I'm not going to dwell on a particular search alone, especially when I see there's competition on that particular keyword. Now, paid ads is going to come in. The idea around it is the idea around this is because it's top of funnel. Whenever people are searching for a particular keyword, whenever your new user or someone that wants to have a first touch point with your brand, remember we're starting here. The first touch point is always here. Definitely, they're going to make a search. And why we do SEO is when they search for you, we want to be able to see you on the search engine on that particular platform, on X, on IG, on TikTok, on Chrome, on Google, or on Bing. So basically, that's why we do SEO. And now SEO, if you look at Google, if you look at Google at the moment, Google introduced social media video content. Social media video content into their search engine results page, into their SERP, right? They introduced this because of powerful content and because you have been able to have a certain level of traction coming in either from paid ads or the algorithm. So I hope you're getting this. I hope you're getting this cool as a business owner. So you understand how SEO, paid ads, social media, and good content works together to make sure people are seeing you. So if you're only dwelling on social media, I'm sorry, but you're wrong. You're getting it wrong, right? So exactly, how exactly do you want to apply all this? Think that probably you may be asking, okay, so Victor, now you have told me I need to do SEO, I need to do. So Victor, now you have told me I need to do SEO, I need to do paid ads, I need to do social media, I need to do content as a business owner, right? This single business owner that I just started. How exactly should I apply all this? So basically, by the end of this video, when I'm putting it on TikTok, I'm going to use specific keywords like digital marketing, marketing to business owners, right? The keyword, the keyword on hashtag. This is for TikTok that works for me. Keyword on hashtag, keyword on description. So for TikTok, once I do keyword on hashtag, keyword on description, automatically my video, the keyword I'm trying to rank on my video pops up on the search bar and also here. This is a magic that has worked for me every time, every day, right? So that is application on TikTok. So when exactly do I need to do paid ads as a business owner that is trying to manage spend? Which of course, the idea around paid ad is actually to get more eyeballs to go faster, right? Now, ideally, I would say apart from product or services, apart from your product, or maybe you have a new offer you want to sell, or you have a new product you're trying to launch, the ideal time you should do paid ads is on content that is performing very, very well. So let's say you have a content that has done, you have like 200 followers, and you have a particular content that did 5K views and 200 comments. As a business owner, this is the particular content you should promote. You get the point? This is the particular content you should promote, not the one that is struggling. Because the idea is the algorithm, which of course is you and I, has already marked this content good, right? Which means if you post it or if you promote it, it's still going to do more better. That's the logic for me, and that's how I do my business. That's how I run sponsored ads or set up. So except I'm doing like a full-time campaign, right? Except I'm doing like a full-time campaign, I'm trying to monitor, do like a large scale. But if I just want to probably just get more eyeballs, get more people to view what I've done, this is the strategy. Content that has performed very, very well, spend on it, right? For social media, your content is you, your business owner is you, behind the scene, POV, behind the scene, behind the scene, your products, how you do your stuffs, quality content, right? Just like what we're doing now, just like what I'm doing now. And that is all for the whole system on how to get eyeballs coming in, how to increase your top of funnel. So basically, it's awareness. And how do you get awareness? From SEO, the content, your paid ads to promote your content, promote your stuffs that has performed well. Your social media, your storefronts, and this is how you get right.